How to connect two Bluetooth speakers or two Bluetooth wireless earphones to a Samsung A52 or A52s model, Android 12, or even Android 13 software. And before I continue, just want you to know that it's only the A52 models and the A72 models in the mid-range of Samsung phones that has the dual audio mode. If you have a A53 or an A73, that dual audio mode is not available on those two phones. Let's get started. First, you want to go ahead and pair up your two devices, whether it's speakers or earphones. Let's do it. So here I got a Sony Bluetooth speaker, and I'll go ahead and enable the pairing mode for this speaker in particular so that it can show up on my Bluetooth settings. Now, of course, we'll go ahead and use the quick panel access. We'll use the Bluetooth toggle here, long press it, and that'll take me to my main Bluetooth settings. I'll go ahead and turn that on. You'll see the name of your device show up. Let's give that a few seconds. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it and accept the pairing request so that you can have your first device connected. So you'll get that, And now we'll pair up the next device here. You go ahead and do that as well. All right, so go ahead and select scan so we can start searching again. You'll see JBL Go or the name of your device. Pair. Now, in order to determine if your Samsung phone actually has dual audio mode from the get-go before proceeding to the next step, you'll notice that they are both highlighted and also states that it is connected, which means that you do have dual audio mode. So if you only see one highlighted in a specific color saying connected, that means your Samsung phone doesn't have it. Now let's move on to the next step as we have our two devices connected. We'll bring this down once again. You'll notice you'll see device control and media output. If you bring it down a second time, it's also found up here. Now, if you don't see those two controls, while in this view mode here, you'll see these three dots found to the top right. And you want to go to where it says quick panel layout. As you enter into the quick panel layout section, you'll see device control and media output buttons. Tap on it one time, you'll see these controls show up. Go with show always. Press done. And that means you'll have these two options available whether you pull it down once or twice. Now we're going to go to where it says media output. And as you enter into that here, you'll notice you have your previously played soundtrack there, and you got your two devices here available. But what's also more noticeable is there's a circle to toggle, allowing you to check it. And that means now you have your two devices ready to play at the same time, okay? So you can control the volume from here for both devices. If your device itself has volume controls, you can also control it from there as well. Another thing to note is as you come out of here, once these are checked in, that means your dual audio mode is set up. And what you want to know is if you press the volume up, you'll notice the two controls show up for both devices. You can bring them both down together at the same time, bring them up together at the same time. Also, once in this control panel view here, you can toggle and access controls for either of them. Once you're bringing up or down, you'll notice the name of that device is shown. So currently this one on the right is the one for the Sony speaker. The one on the left is for the JBL speaker, and your devices are going to be different names, okay? So we'll go ahead and play a song so you can hear the sync of the audio. It's not so perfect, but it's gonna be great. So I got a no copyright song here. I'll go ahead and press play. Once again, you can control it from here, bringing them both up or down together at the same time. You can adjust it for here. So I'll bring up the one for the Sony so you can hear it. That's your Sony speaker here. And if I bring up the one for JBL, and you'll notice they're not so perfectly synced, but what I usually do is disconnect them, reconnect them again, and the second time around, it will be slightly better than the first time it was. So try it out, let me know in the comments section. But it's a pretty cool feature, and currently at the time of this video, there is no other phones out there that can do this except for Samsung phones. Thanks for watching.